Let's fucking go, baby!
Howdy there, people of YouTube. What the fuck did my mic? Where'd my mic cover go? So, if you couldn't tell by the title, thumbnail, and little intro that I did, this isn't the type of normal video I make. It's not a gaming video. It's more of a vlog. I'm going airsofting. I went airsofting. Well, I'm going airsofting tomorrow. I'm going airsofting. I'm recording this the day before because I had to wake up early, like 7 o'clock, 6, just to go over to my friend's house, and we're gonna go over to Miami and go to a place called Matrix Tactical. This place right here. I really hope I put something there. I really hope I don't forget that. Anyways, basically, I want to talk about how the video is gonna go. So it's all gonna be recorded on my phone, which I don't have on me, but it's gonna be recorded on my phone. And it's gonna be the airsoft, the gameplay is gonna be on this little thing here on my phone. It's gonna go on this little thing. So, I was gonna record it on that, and I forgot what I was gonna say. I found it. I'm not just gonna splice clips together, and hope for the best. I'm gonna try to do editing, some subtitles, because you probably won't be able to hear me with this thing, like clearly. So I'll probably add some subtitles here and there. But besides that, I hope you have an amazing day watching this video. And one more thing I gotta say. You look cute today. Good. You good kitten. Love you. Alright. He's finally here. So now I just gotta get all my shit. Alright, here we go. Cue the montage now. Alright, let's go.
See you later. Have fun, man. Be careful.
Love you.
Love you too, man.
It's all good. Alright, you ready for this airsofting event?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we got all my shit in. Are you ready for this adventure?
Uh-huh.
Feel like sun on my skin. So this is love. I know it is. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling in love.
Just arrived to the location. What's your opinion?
I kind of want to say the N-word.
Is it Spider-Man?
He's on the Spider-Man.
He's Spider-Man? I'm recording this like the day after the airsoft stuff. My dumbass forgot to record like me explaining what we're doing, so I just have a bunch of these like 5-second clips. So what we're doing, basically, we're waiting for everyone to get there. The guy that was in the last video was the last person to get there. And so we pack up all our stuff, and then what I'm going to show you after I'm done talking is us going to Miami, and then like all the game and stuff. My dumbass just forgot to like explain it all, but yeah, that's what's going to happen.
It's done.
I mean, like,
with that, bro. Is that BB proof?
yeah,
Yeah, I hope so.
I hope so too.
Somebody friendly fires him and shoots him from up here.
Oh,
I would be careful with that.
yeah.
You're gonna have that one dickhead who's gonna shoot your way, and just gonna.
Well, it's all phone anyways. So.
Okay.
Oh my god. No.
Look at that.
Oh my god. Yeah, fucking LMG?
What game mode do we want to play?
2.9.
Hey, wait until you get
Deathmatch.
capture both flags.
Capture both flags? Yeah. All right, good. All right, who wants to shoot? Make the walk. He's fun. Unlimited. Unlimited.
This match's game mode is capture both flags. The objective of this game mode is to raise the flag to your color. If you spawn on the far side, you're red team. If you spawn on the close side, you're blue team. I was on blue team this round. I was with my friends Reynold and Thomas. My friends Andres and Josiah, they were on the other team. My objective for this match was to get used to the map and get kills.
So we both gotta try to get it.
Okay. Shut up, bitch. Sorry for the language. Shut up, poopy head. Poopy head. You mother trucker. Ready?
When the match starts, I decide to run, but then give up halfway through because I'm not that athletic.
Let's push up a little bit.
I bet.
Where's Ray?
Over there.
Ray!
He pushed over there.
Okay, let's get over there with him. Wait, can you pull auto?
I don't know. We're getting shot at. Watch out. Look.
Don't knock, he's over.
Well, hit the wall.
There's nobody there.
Hit the wall.
To the wall? Where?
I don't know, probably something already. Fuck.
If I'm gonna run here and hold the fire, can you run under and put the flag?
Yeah. Oh, hit! Fuck.
Sorry, man.
It's alright. Yo, Ray! Where do we do? Can I spawn back in or have to go there? Bet. Respawn, bitch. I'm right here, Ray. I'm right here. What's up?
I thought you were dead.
Reload. It is not bad. You hit?
No. Almost. I did.
Oh shit, it's firing.
I think it's going through. I don't think it's going to stop.
Alright.
This is like the little... Go.
Go. Hit! Damn. That was fun. Jesus Christ. They're fucking unloading over there. Yeah, there.
Let's get around by this wall here.
Yeah. Why is it firing?
Reload it, Mark.
It's not working. My battery died, I think.
Oh, dude, go check it. Go use your pistol, actually. What the hell was that?
Grenade. There we go. Thomas! I'm gonna try to come to you. Cover me. 3.
Go.
Fuck. I won't try to. I see one like all the way down there, dude. At this point, my rifle was out of battery. My only working gun was my M9 pistol, which only had about 10 rounds left in it. So I decided I wasn't going to try to do anything crazy and stay back and just try to cover fire and wait for my friends to get back. Scared the fuck out of me, dude. Jesus Christ. Oh shit. Yo, guys, come through, guys. That was a ricochet. Fuck. Yo, Ray! They're like right there. Like across from you. Should move to that green piece. Hit! God damn, that surprised me. You're on the fucking jugular, goddamn. As you might be able to see with the camera, it got hit down, so it only shows the ground. And also a little bit after this, it just stopped recording, so I'm not going to put the rest of that in. I'm just going to carry on to game 2. Oh my god. A sniper? Oh my god. Dude, look at that. There's a sniper, a shotgun, and a pistol. Look right there. All camo. Green camo. Shotgun on the side. Right there. Right in front of me. He has a full sniper, the little super shorty, and then a pistol on the side with a silencer.
How much do you like it?
I really hope he's on our side.
Alright, fine. Capture both flags. Fine. Ready?
Yeah. Alright, you want to go through that way?
Yeah.
Dude, I can breathe so much more. Saya. Let's just go through here. What do you mean, bro?
They have a straight shot. Look at that.
There are 2 trees in the way.
There's a huge clear. No, from that way. Look at.
Oh, true.
That's
But if we just run fast enough.
well, it's me and you.
It's me, you, and Josiah. What do you mean? Josiah's on our team, dog.
Maybe. I'm talking about me and you running slow.
Oh, true.
What's up? I'll stay here.
I'm gonna go through here, I'm gonna go through here. Huh. Oh damn, dude, my dog, yeah, they got hit. Hit! Oh, fuck, oh, everything's getting jumbled. Hit! Okay. I'm getting shot at. Holy shit, I'm getting shot at. Probably get the Matrix, but hit! God damn! Ah, fuck, hit! Hit right in the thumb. Ah! You good?
Good, good.
Hello. No. After this, I'm done. Oh, fuck. Oh, over my ankle. Oh. Hit! God damn. Again. Yo.
I hit Andres from like super far away.
I hit Andres too.
That's kind of funny.
I see him over there. Oh, he's hit, I think, maybe. Oh, that's my guy. Oh, man. I'm gonna keep on tightening, bro. Maybe one person. Yo, Josiah, what's up, man? He's over there.
There's one over there.
I hear him, yeah. I think that was a kill. That was nice. Damn. Oh, I should have tried defending more. I saw him run over there, but I didn't think of anything. That's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. I think this is where it's going to end. So, hope you have an amazing day, night, whatever. And goodbye.